safe. It's been so long since I last updated. I wanted to update it before, but due to the situation around the world, it didn't feel right to do so. Anyway, I'm back with the part 2 of last video. If you haven't seen part 1 for the same yet, you can check in the description box below. Also, this is very long video. Initially I wanted to make it in 3 parts, but now I've concluded in 2 to get over with it. Okay, so let's get started with the unboxing. So this was the album I ordered. First BTS official album that I ordered, which came with the poster. I was very happy when I received the poster tube as well. I didn't know this will come with the poster. So as you have already seen the packing, the box is amazing. It doesn't have any scratch or anything on it, and this is the poster tube that I got with the album. Also, all the things in the previous video and in this video I have ordered through BTS India shop. As you may know, all the things I got from them are always in the perfect condition so far, so I'm quite very happy. So this is the poster I got with the album, and this is the signed poster, not the hand signed, but yeah, the sign, the autographs are printed on the poster. I am very happy to receive it. You can see the poster is very glossy and have very thick paper quality. I love it. Okay, let's see the album now. The amount of freebies I got and the candies I got with this, with all these orders together, is, I can't even explain. Look at the number of candies I got, and the freebies, the photo cards are, they're all so awesome. Also, if you have a doubt like where I got my album from, because I always say I got it from BTS India shop on Twitter, all the official merch, albums and other things I got with the help of BTS India shop are through Weverse shop. You can see the Comca sticker on it, and all the authentic stickers and QR codes I get with the albums are always official. So these are the freebies I got with the album. Look at these. I always love to collect these unofficial freebies and photo cards. I have a lot of them now, and the thank you card from the BTS India shop. I will link their account below in the description box, so you can check. So let's get on with the album. So yes, this is my first ever BTS album, and I'm very happy, very excited. Please excuse the excited sounds I'm making. So this is School Love Affair Special Edition, which got back into production after 6 years, if I'm not mistaken. Here's a little scratch in the tear in the album outer box, but apart from that, everything is fine. So let's open it. The quality of the album or the outer box is amazing as always. So this album came with 3 CDs, if I'm not wrong. First is this one, and the photo book, and the 2 other CDs. Yeah, so I love the color of the book and the album. Yeah, the quality is amazing. Oh, did you see that? Let's see what I got. Oh, it's there. Look at him. Oh my god. He's such a baby here. Okay, let's keep it aside for now. Let's check the album. I'll just do a quick flip through it. Look at these pictures. They are all so small, so young. The pages are very thick. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. Look at these photos. Oh. So yeah, it is all for School Love Affair album. Have they always been so handsome? Yeah, this was the album and the poster. Let me move it aside and get on with the next item. Also, the reason I was not being able to update the videos soon, I wanted to change my intro since so long. Have you noticed the new intro? Tell me about it if you like it or not. Also, I'm thinking about changing the name of my channel. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. So this is the Seasons Greeting 21. So I ordered the whole set which came with the calendar. Okay. This is very huge, like really huge. Please come out. Also, season greeting and the calendar are all safe. There were no damages. Oh my god, this is so big. I'm gonna struggle to keep it in the frame. I don't think it will fit. Okay, so this is the season greetings calendar. This is very big. Let me try and show you. Okay, so they look so handsome here. This retro concept is so amazing. So this was for January. Now the February we have, can you see it? And these for March. I'm at loss of words. I don't know how to fit it in. Look at Yoongi. He's my absolute favorite. And Jin. J-Hope. Jin. Oh my god, they just look at Jungkook. Oh my god, they are getting so handsome day by day. I'm sorry, I am struggling so much to fit it in frame. My arms are aching seriously. It really is huge and heavy too. But who cares? I love it. So this is the season greetings. Let's see.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
This is very big and heavy. Let me open it. Okay. Wow, the logo looks so beautiful and the box is so pretty. Let me keep it aside and see what. Okay. This is maybe table calendar and the diary and the book. Okay, this is the CD. Yeah, this is the year planner or the diary. I won't be opening all of these things. This is the maybe magazine or the photo book. I'm not opening any of these. This is the table calendar because there's no way I'm using all of these, so it's better I keep it sealed for now because I don't want it to get damaged so easily. So these are the photo cards. Let me open it and show it. Okay, this way. I like this concept so much. Nobody can tell these are the photo cards by first look. Look at these. They look so amazing. All of them. Look at RM. And Sugar. Jin is not aging at all. Hobie looks so intimidating here. Look how pretty Jimin is. Look at him, he's so handsome. And Jungkook. So these are all. This was so expensive, but the amount of things I'm seeing in the box are completely worth your money. Plus the quality of merch Big Hit provides, it's amazing, like beyond your imagination. I don't know what I was expecting when I ordered it, but seriously, it's so good. Let's move on to the other things. So these are the ID photo cards. Passport size photos, yeah. They're completely opposite of what we just saw. How can same person look so soft and sexy at the same time? I don't know. These are the sticker sheet. This is the Polaroid binder. I won't be opening these as I already told you, because it's better to keep it this way because I'm not gonna use it. I think many of you can relate with me. It's better when you are not going to use any of these to keep it sealed. These are the photo cards. Polaroid photo cards, yeah. Look at they are so cute. I don't think I have been this excited in so long. I'm buzzing with excitement right now. I don't have words. I'm completely lost. So these were the Polaroids. I'll try to show you other things if I'm ever going to open all these things. Maybe. I got Jin, the random photo card of Jin. Look at him. And this is the washi tape we got. Also not gonna open this one too. Maybe in next 20-30 years I will. Then I'll show you. So these are all the things we got with the season greetings. I'm sorry I couldn't show you all the things because for obvious reasons I don't want to open it. I think you can understand. It was so expensive, so I don't want it to get destroyed just like that. So these are all the things, and we got so much, like really a lot of things were in the box. If you have any kind of suggestions for me, please feel free to tell me. Also, if you have any questions, do ask. So these are all for the season's greeting. Also, I might change the name of my channel, so you can save any of my videos in your watch later list. That way you can easily find me next time if I change my channel name. So at last, these are all the things you have seen so far in 2 parts of the video that I made. So this one is the signature blue tumbler, the bracelet, DIY bracelet from the pop-up merch, the mono bracelet from Room of Daisies, album School Love Affair special edition with the poster. So these are all the things. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.